Welcome to the top best. The best Steam Mop Pads is probably one of the most underrated cleaning accessories in your home. These pads are designed to work with steam mops, offering a convenient and effective way to clean and sanitize hard floors. But with so many options available, choosing the right pads can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Steam Mop Pads, helping you find the perfect ones for your cleaning needs. Number 5. IMPRESA Steam Mop Discs for Bissell. Introducing IMPRESA Steam Mop Fragrance Discs, designed for your Bissell steam mop. These discs will enhance your cleaning experience. This deluxe pack includes 15 replacement fragrance discs. It's perfect for keeping your floors clean and smelling fresh. Enjoy the spring breeze scent as you clean. The discs deliver a pleasant aroma, leaving your home smelling wonderful. Each steam mop fragrance disc is foil sealed. This ensures maximum freshness and longevity for each disc. These discs fit various Bissell Powerfresh and Symphony models. They are designed to work seamlessly with your existing steam mop. IMPRESA provides high-quality, affordable replacement discs. They are designed to meet or exceed OEM performance for efficient cleaning. What we like? These discs come with a delightful spring breeze scent, making your cleaning experience more pleasant. The individually sealed packaging ensures that the fragrance stays fresh until you're ready to use it. If you like a fresh, clean scent while you clean, this is the perfect choice. What people say? They really work well, and once I have finished mopping, the room smells so nice and fresh. These are good for use with our steam mop for added freshness. This product held up much better and only started to break down after considerable use without a break. Number 4. 6-pack replacement mop pads for Bissell Powerfresh. These steam mop pads are designed to fit a variety of Bissell Powerfresh models, including the 1940, 1440, and 1544 series. They are also compatible with models like 1806 and 2075. This ensures that it will fit your existing steam mop. The pack includes 6 mop pads, with 2 different types for various cleaning needs. There are 3 soft microfiber pads for regular cleaning and 3 with scrubbing strips for tougher messes. This provides versatility for different floor types and cleaning tasks. These premium mop pads effectively capture dirt, water stains, and debris from your floors. They work well on sealed hard floors like wood, tile, and laminate. It leaves your floor spotless. Made with a blend of 70% polyester and 30% polyamide microfiber, these pads are gentle on surfaces. The triple-layer design prevents scratching or smearing. The texture design enhances cleaning effectiveness. These steam mop pads are easy to replace and maintain. You can machine wash or hand wash them. This makes them convenient for regular use. What we like? This product offers 2 types of pads to tackle different cleaning needs, from everyday messes to tougher, stickier ones. The pads are designed to effectively capture dirt and grime on various sealed hard floors. If you have a variety of floor types and cleaning challenges, you should consider these. What people say? Fits perfectly, and a lot cheaper than the OE. Work great in my machine. Cleaning pads fit well. Number 3. Extolife Steam Mop Pads for Bissell Powerfresh. Introducing the Extolife Steam Mop Replacement Pads, designed for your Bissell Powerfresh steam mop. These pads are a perfect fit for various models, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. These pads are compatible with a wide range of Bissell Powerfresh models. You can be sure that it will fit your steam mop perfectly. Made from high-quality microfiber, these pads offer excellent cleaning performance. They have strong water absorption, making your floor spotless. The package includes 2 types of pads to meet all your cleaning needs. There are soft pads for everyday cleaning and pads with scrubbing strips for tougher messes. These pads are safe for all sealed hard floors, including marble, laminate, tile, and wood. They won't scratch your floors and dry quickly. The pads are easy to install, reusable, and machine washable. You can tumble dry or line dry them, making your cleaning routine simple. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are committed to offering premium products and efficient customer service. What we like? This product is compatible with a wide range of Bissell Powerfresh steam mops. It includes 2 types of pads for different cleaning needs. They are also reusable and machine washable, making them a great value. If you are looking for a versatile and cost-effective cleaning solution, this is a great option. What people say. Fits perfectly on the mop. These heads clean and fit well. They make mopping so much easier, and I don't have to wait for the pads to be washed before I can use again because I have a 10-pack. Number 2. Bissell Powerfresh 1940 Steam Mop Pads, 2 packs. Introducing these replacement mop pads, designed specifically for your Bissell Powerfresh 1940 series steam mop. This set will help you to achieve a superior clean with ease. The set includes 2 types of microfiber pads. One is for everyday cleaning and the other has scrubbing strips for those tougher, stickier messes. They are designed to tackle any cleaning task. These pads replace Bissell part number 5938 and are fully compatible with your Powerfresh 1940 series steam mop. They are designed to fit perfectly, ensuring optimal performance. These pads offer strong water absorption and dry quickly. They are reusable and durable, ensuring they can handle any cleaning job you throw at them. These pads work great on hardwood, laminate, tile, wood, and other hard surfaces, even carpets. They are designed to make cleaning your home easier. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply toss the pads into the washing machine. It's that simple to keep them fresh and ready for your next cleaning session. What we like. This set includes 2 types of pads, one for everyday cleaning and one for tougher messes. The pads offer strong water absorption and are machine washable for easy maintenance. If you are looking for a simple, effective, and easy to clean solution, this is a great choice. What people say. They fit perfectly and don't move when you're steaming. They clean up all sorts of stains. They even help with some spots on my carpet. It's a snug fit, but it works. Number 1. Flammi Steam Mop Pads for Bissell Powerfresh. These Flammi Steam Mop replacement pads are designed for Bissell Powerfresh steam mops. They are compatible with multiple models, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. You can easily find the right one for your machine. These mop pads are compatible with part numbers 5938, 20326633, 1606668, and 1606669. This makes it easy to find the right replacement for your steam mop. It is a great choice for your cleaning supplies. The set includes 2 types of mop pads, soft microfiber for everyday cleaning and scrub pads for tougher messes. This allows you to tackle any cleaning task. They are very useful for your home. These pads feature super strong water absorption and easy steam release. They leave no water stains and prevent dirt from being pushed around. They will make your floor cleaner. These mop pads are safe for use on all hard floor types, including wooden, ceramic tile, laminate, and marble floors. You can use it without worrying about damaging your floors. They are very versatile. Please note that these pads are not compatible with Bissell Powerfresh Vac and Steam Mop 2747A, or Bissell Symphony Vac and Steam Mops 1132154316321652 series. Make sure it fits your machine before purchasing. What we like. This product is compatible with a wide range of Bissell Powerfresh steam mops. It includes 2 types of pads to handle different cleaning needs. The pads are designed to be safe for all hard floor types. If you have multiple floor types in your home and want a versatile cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. Great replacements, it's easy to use and fits my Bissell. They pick up everything. They fit my steam mop perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.